present our topic, migratory birds and tracing their flight patterns. The aim of this project would be to help you understand a little better about how birds migrate during various seasons.
Good morning, ma'am, and my dear friends. My name is Janti Kumari Yadav, and I'm going to talk about the summary of the migratory birds. So let's start. Migratory birds are those that move from one part of the world to another according to the season. Some of the wetlands of India are popular with migratory birds. During winter, birds such as Siberian crane come in large numbers. One such favorable with birds is the run of Kutch. Bird migration is a natural miracle. Migratory birds fly hundreds and thousands of kilometers to find the best ecological conditions and habitats for feeding, breeding, and raising their young ones. When conditions at breeding site become unfavorable, it is time to fly to region where conditions are good. Migratory birds travel in various patterns. The migratory of birds migrate from northern breeding areas to the southern wintering ground. However, some birds breed in southern parts of Africa and migrate to northern wintering ground or horizontally to enjoy the milder coastal climates of water. Other birds reside on lowland during the winter month and move up on mountain for the summers. They have the perfect morphology and physiology to fly fast and across long distances. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Swarup, and I'm going to talk about the blue throat. The blue throat is a small passerine bird that was formerly classed as a member of the thrush family Tudidae, but is now more generally considered to be an old world flycatcher, Muscicapidae. It is a migratory insectivorous species, breeding in wet birchwood in Europe and across the Palearctic with a foothold in western Alaska. It nests in tussocks. It winters in Indian subcontinent. The size of a blue throat is around 13 to 14 centimeter. It is plain brown with distinctive black tail and red side patches. The male has an iridescent blue bib edged below with a successive black, white, and rust-colored borders. Female of all subspecies usually have just a blackish crescent on an otherwise cream throat and breast. Despite the distinctive appearance of the males, recent genetic studies show only limited variation between the forms and, and confirms that this is a single species. Most begin in July after breeding and is completed in 40 to 45 days before the bird migrates.
Now, let's talk about hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are birds native to America. They occur from Alaska to Tierra del Fuego, but the vast majority of the species is found in the tropics. They are small birds, with most species measuring from 7.5 centimeters to 13 centimeters. They are known as hummingbirds because of the humming sound created by their beating wings. Many hummingbirds spend their winter in Central America or Mexico and migrate north to their breeding grounds in southern United States. And this can happen as early as the month of February. They travel further north in the spring and can fly to about 23 miles in a day.
Good, good morning, everyone. My name is Neha. I'm going to talk about Siberian crane. The Siberian crane, also known as the Siberian white crane or the snow crane, is a bird of the family Cridae, the crane. They are distinctive among the cranes. Adults are nearly all snowy white except for their black primary feathers that are visible in flight, and with two breeding populations in the Arctic tundra of western and eastern Russia. The eastern population migrate during winter to China, while the western population migrate to Iran and formerly in Bharatpur, India. Among the cranes, they make the longest distance migration. Their populations, particularly those in western race, have declined drastically in 20th century due to hunting along their migration routes and habitat degradation. The world population was estimated in 2010 at about 3,200 birds, mostly belonging to the Asian population, with about 95% of them migrating in the Poyang region in China, and a habitat that may be altered by the Three Gorges Dam. A molecular phylogenetic study published in 2010 found that the genus Grace, as been defined, was polyphyletic. In the resulting rearrangement to create monophyletic genera, the Siberian crane was moved to the receptor genus Leucogyrinus. The genus Leucogyrinus had been introduced by the French biologist Charles Wilson Bonaparte in 1855. The breeding area of the Siberian crane formerly extended between the Ural and Ob rivers south to the Isam and Dobol rivers and east to the Kolma region. The population declined with changes in land use, the draining of wetlands for agricultural expansion, and hunting on their migration routes. The breeding area in modern times are restricted to two widely distinct regions: the western area in the river basin of the Ob, Konda, and so forth.
Wood sandpiper. The wood sandpiper is a small wader. It breeds in subarctic wetlands from the Scottish highlands across Europe and Asia. They migrate to Africa, southern Asia, particularly to India and Australia. The bird is usually found on fresh water during migration and wintering. Adult wood sandpiper would molt all their primary feathers between August and December, while immature birds molt varying number of outer primaries between December and April, much closer to the departure. Immature are also much more flexible than adults in timing of their molt and refueling. Their lean body mass can potentially cross distances of 2,397 to 4,490 km in a non-stop flight. The bird is a common migrant in most parts of Israel and is a scarce overwintering species in the north. It occurs mostly in aquatic, muddy habitats of fish or ponds. They occur in distinct ways. First of them passes through mid-April, second in late April, lastly the third in early May. The spring migration is concentrated in one wave and peaked around 10th of May. The lowest number of birds are seen in autumn, which is much lower than spring. Flight range of the bird with a mean weight 63 to 76 gram was estimated.
Akanksha, could you start, please?
Hello everyone, my name is Akansha and I'm going to talk about Oriental Stork. The species was first discovered in 1873. It is typically larger than the white stork, 100 to 129 centimeter long, 100 to 150 centimeter tall, weight of 28 and 59 kg and wingspan of 292 meters. The Oriental Stork breeds in southern Siberia and the part of North. I have started. Yes, I'll start again. Oriental stork. The species was first discovered in 1873. It is typically larger than a white stork, 100 to 120 centimeter long, 100 to 150 centimeter tall, weight of 28 to 59 kg, and wingspan of 200, 280, 292 meters. The Oriental stork breeds in southern Siberia and the parts of northeast China and winters mainly in southeast China. However, the autumn migration pattern of Oriental stork has been described as difference between spring and autumn. Migration travel speed in relation to wind assistance. There has been tracking of the full migration of 18 Oriental storks to compare difference in autumn and spring migration pattern. Stock stoppage significantly more often in autumn than the spring. Tailwinds at 850 mph pressure level affect daily flying speed during spring migration. The weather condition affect the timing and flight behavior of long distance bird migration is well known. The migration of large territories roving birds may be affected by the local atmospheric condition. Wind has perhaps the greatest effect on migration of birds. For long distance migrations, roving birds relate duration of spring and autumn migration likely relates to arrive to breeding grounds. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today, Pratiksha, I will be talking about the great white pelican. The great white pelican, migratory birds, also known as rosy pelican, is a large bird with a long beak and a huge throat pouch. Species are distributed in Eastern Europe, Africa, and Southeast India. The breeding range of the great white pelican extends to Ethiopia, Tanzania, Chad, northern Cameroon, and Nigeria in Africa, and has been observed or reported breeding in Zambia, Botswana, and South Africa. The migration routes are only partially known. Migratory populations are found from Eastern Europe to Kazakhstan during the breeding season. More than 50% of the Eurasian Danube Delta in Romania. They also prefer staying in lakes near Burgas, Bulgaria, in Srivarna Lake in Bulgaria. The pelicans arrive in the Danube in late March or early April and depart after breeding from September to late November. Wintering locations for European pelicans are not exactly known, but wintering birds may occur in northeastern Africa through Iraq to North India, with a particularly large number of breeders from Asia wintering around Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Northern populations migrate to China, India, Myanmar, with stragglers reaching Java and Bali in Indonesia. These are birds that are mostly in lowlands, though in East Africa and Nepal may be found living at elevations up to 1,372 meters, which is 4,501 feet. In Europe, they occur in freshwater or alkaline lakes. Shallow warm water is needed for the fishing technique of these birds. Great white pelican live, breed, migrate, feed, and fly in formation of large colonies. These species feed mainly on fish. They fish in the early morning and early evening. They may also feed on other small birds, frogs, and crustaceans. They are powerful flyers and often travel in flocks in a V formation to reduce drag for the group. Today, because of overfishing in certain areas, white pelicans are forced to fly long distances to find food. The species is threatened by habitat destruction, human activity in the breeding habitat, fishing activities, and hunting. The IUCN, which is International Nature, has categorized and evaluated these pelican species and has listed them as of least concern.
Asiatic sparrowhawk. Asiatic sparrowhawk is a bird of prey, but it's smaller compared to the larger bird of prey such as the eagles. Sparrowhawks from colder regions of Europe and Asia migrate to India and South Africa during winters. They are found in forest. They migrate to India for a period of roughly 4 to 6 months, with a body adapted for quick maneuvering. They prefer to prey on birds, but occasionally extend their diet to mammals and bats as well. In medieval felony, the sparrowhawk were supposed to be prestigious birds for priests. The sparrowhawk inhabits at the edges of wooden areas, forests interspersed with open areas. The migrant sparrowhawks can be seen in any habitat, including urban areas and cities. The Eurasian sparrowhawk breeding season is from April to June. The sparrowhawk are distributed in Europe, Asia, Indian subcontinent, and Africa. The northernmost population may move southernwards during July and November, retrieving between harsh March and June. The birds further south in Asia and Africa tend to be resident or dispersed. The Asiatic sparrowhawk global population is estimated to number more than 1,500,000 individual birds. Their species of sparrowhawks have an extremely large range and population are considered least vulnerable. These species of sparrowhawk are categorized by IUCN as of least concern.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanskar, and today I will be talking about the bird greater flamingo. The greater flamingo is the most widespread species of the flamingo family. It is found in the westland areas of Africa, Southwest Europe, and in South Asia. This is the largest species of flamingo, averaging up to 5 feet tall and weighing 8 lbs. Their wingspan are 4 to 6 feet. Greater flamingo live up to 20 years in the wild. Their diet consists of seeds, algae, and small invertebrates. The bird live in mudflats and in shallow coastal lagoons with salt water. Using its feet, the bird stirs up the mud, then sucks water through its bill and filter out small shrimp, seeds, blue-green algae, microscopic organisms, and molluscs. The greater flamingo feeds with its head down. Its upper jaw is movable and not rigidly fixed to its skull. It was the state bird of Junagadh state. They are noisy bird and they live in big groups called flocks. This means they live by water, such as lakes. There are 6 species of flamingo. 2 of species are found in Africa, Europe, and in Asia. The other 4 are found in North America and in South America. Flamingos are are not found in England unless in zoos. The migratory path of flamingos. The greater flamingos migrate to the fresh water and estuarine habitats across Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rajasthan, and in some other states. Researchers have also had reason to suspect some greater flamingos could even be flying into Mumbai from the Middle East and in the parts of Africa. Every winter, millions of greater and small flamingos take a flight to migrate from Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat to Shevri Mudflat in Mumbai. These birds migrate to the mudflats of Shevri during November and stay until the arrival of monsoon in June. While searching for flamingo migration to India, they will find in Shevri mudflats in Mumbai, which is the most visited place with the highest number of flamingo flocks from November to June. At Shevri during the sunrise or sunset, there will be a chance to see close to 10,000 flamingo birds in a group at a time, and their fascinating pink color, feathers, and their unique way of searching for food is enough to make a tour to experience. Thank you.
This was the end of our group project. We hope you got an insight to bird migration and understood a little better about their migratory paths.